Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this off. There's the mass airflow sensor in here, and this is like the air intake, and there's a filter inside. It's a big old giant box. I gotta take this off, so I gotta remove this clip. I've got to take this tubing off. Yeah, maybe I have to take this tubing off. We'll see. If we can take this off, then we'll have all this space. This is the battery. Get on there. We're going to have to take this tube, this little air thing, and this tube also. We'll have to try to remove it so that we can get in there in that way, because this down here, this is what we're gonna get to. All right, let's see what happens.